What's up, guys, and good morning. Yes, I am in my car. You know what? I'm up on Clark here this morning. I'm not going to get out and walk around because I want to cover too much. But somebody told me that they're doing, I guess, renovation up here in areas up here where it used to be the old housing area for when Clark Air Base was here. And that's where I'm at this morning. I'm going to check some of these areas out. I'll try to go slow so you guys can see it. It's been, I don't know, probably a month or so since I've been up here, and I know I have subscribers that like when I come up on the Clark and check things out. So that's what I'm doing today. Let me kind of show you where I'm at right here. Here's where I'm at, coming up on this crossroad right here. Remember, on Clark, you gotta stop and turn your turn signals on, and it's like being back in the States. But here's where I'm at. To the left, we'll take you down by Wagner. But this area right here, apologize if it's windy, but I got the window down. This used to be housing here. The last time I was up here, this was all grown up and overgrown, but you can see that they're clearing it out. I don't know what for, what's going on in there. That gate right there, that entrance, that was all gated up. You couldn't get in there. But this is all housing. Even on the opposite side of the road here is all housing. But it looks like they're painting the fence line, they're cleaning it up. There's even a sidewalk there that was all overgrown. So what they plan to do in there, I don't know. I'll have to stop and ask somebody. Ask them what's going on. You know, it'd be nice if they fixed all them little houses up in there and made it another community, but who knows, right? Anyways, right here is Aqua, I think it's called Aqua Planet. That was the water park that was built here, what, about 3 years ago? Opened up, we'll go around and I'll kind of show you. It opened up, then it closed down for some type of maintenance, and then COVID hit. So that was closed. But a big water park here. You guys see it. Like I said, I'll kind of go around the back end here. I never had the opportunity to go in there. I think it was, if I'm not mistaken, 1,000 pesos, 20 bucks per person. You could not bring your own food in there. From what I was told, you had to purchase the food that was available inside Aqua Planet. And you know, most Filipinos love to go and hang out somewhere and bring their own food. Here we are. I'm gonna make a left here. This goes to a dead end, so I'll turn around. I just kind of wanted to show you how big this park was, or is. Hopefully it'll get up running, and hopefully they will open up and let the people enjoy themselves again. They have water slides in there and pools in there and wave pools in there, but sadly it's closed. Just another tragedy of the COVID. Look at that. It's like a water plunge right there. One side's a slide and one side's like a water plunge. According to what they were saying, it was supposed to be the biggest water park in Asia. That's what they were saying. Pretty cool park. Yeah, this road will come to a dead end here. I guess that's where you would enter, pay your admission fee. All right, we'll turn around here. Let me turn around. All right, guys, I am back looking at that housing area that used to be in here. Aqua Planet is to my right. But let me come down here, see what else is going on. I'm gonna stop and ask. what's going on in there. I mean, they're painting the fence line and everything. So I don't know, maybe who knows what they're gonna put in there. But man, there's some nice, beautiful, big acacia trees in there. I turn left right here. But check this out. Here they've cleaned it all up. All that fence line is all cleaned up, painted. There is a sidewalk in there. So we'll see what they're doing. I'll come down here and I'll ask. I hope they leave them big acacia trees in there. They're just cool looking. And to the right also, it's all grown up. Let me ask, let me stop and ask one of these workers. Maybe they would know, or maybe they don't know. All right, guys, so I spoke to a gentleman here. I guess he's the boss, he's the man in charge. Broken English, but I kind of got the gist of what he was saying. He was saying that this is all gonna be renovated. They're gonna renovate it all. They're gonna renovate the houses in there. And I guess, I don't know. Remember, this is part of CDC. This is part of the Clark Development Corporation. So what they're gonna do as far as the housing and who's gonna be housing in here or whatever, I don't know. But I will definitely come up here in a month or so and check it out. But look at the big acacia trees. They're just huge. They're huge. I hope they don't cut them down. But then again, you never know. You never know here in the Philippines. But check it out. There was a sidewalk here and everything that I didn't even know existed. That whole area looked like this across the street. Even through there is those big, beautiful acacia trees. I'm just gonna wander back in here. But you see the housing structures back in here. Now granted, over across the street looked just like this. All grown up. You know, there are roads back that lead back in through here. It's all grown up. I'm not gonna walk too far because it kind of looks like it's all grown over. I don't want to come across a slithering critter or anything like that. But check it out. I asked him about this side. He said he didn't know. So but this, I always like driving down in through here because look at how the trees just engulf the road through here. So anyways, let me see. I'll walk down here. I'll walk down here and you guys can see through here. See, the road goes in and it ends because it's all grown over. They have bulldozers and front end loaders and everything across the street there. So anyways, guys, I'll just keep on rolling down the road here and check some more out what's going on. All right, guys, we are down the road here now. To the left is the old hospital, the old Air Force hospital. I'm gonna take a little ride back in there. The main entrance to the Air Force hospital, that main entrance is blocked off. It's closed. The last time I was up here, it was closed. Got a lot of construction going on up here. Right there to the left was the main entrance in. That's closed. You can see they have it blocked off. So there's always the back way. We're gonna head in the back way. Looks like they got construction going on back there. I always come, if I'm up here, I'll always try to come up here and check it out. see what's going on, what's new. Here's the old McDonald's. Old McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. I ate at that McDonald's. They closed that one down and built the McDonald's directly across the street from it. This building here to the right, empty, big, huge building. I don't know. Let's see if we can get back in here. Just looks like a lot of construction going on. See if the road's open. They got the road closed. Wow. They got some construction going on. I'm back in here now. I can't get back in here now. They got the road closed. Alright guys, I found the back door. We're coming up on the circle at the old hospital here. They have let it grown up. This used to be all kept like really cut down. But boy, they've let it all grown up. Here's the main entrance. You guys see it. You can see it's really grown up. I don't know what they're doing here. Out that way was the main entrance coming in off that other road. Let me swing around here. I remember years ago, this is what it looked like before. All grown up, and now it's grown up and it's kind of out of control. It takes a lot of manpower to cut all this grass down again. There's the hospital. And it's all grown up, makes it even spookier looking, right? There was the emergency room entrance. From what everybody has told me in the past, that was the emergency room entrance. Eerie looking now, real eerie. I don't know if I can go back here. No, let's see. But look, check out all this wood they got all over the place. It's like a sawmill going on back here. With all this wood. They look like the old acacia trees too, you know. These were the old docks, the old back docks. From what I have been told, this was the old dock area where the trucks would come in, drop off their deliveries. Now it's just got some graffiti on it. Boy, that wood would make some beautiful, beautiful furniture, you know it? Look at that. Back in there was more of your hospital. Check out all that wood. I don't know what they're doing. All this wood. Both sides of the road, just wood, stacked up wood. Huh. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. You know what? So much changes up here when I come up. You know, I try to come up at least once a month, drive around, see what's new, see what's changed. So much changes in just 1 month. You know, I stop and I talk to some of the security guards here and ask them questions, and a lot of them, you know, they're just not familiar with the history up here on Clark. You know, it's been 30 years since Pinatubo erupted, 30 years since the air base was evacuated, and a lot of the guys, you know, the security guys just don't know the history. It's no fault of theirs, it's just they don't know, and a lot of them are just young. So you know, they're just young. They're just young, so they definitely would not know the history. So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little ride around. Hope it was educational. I don't know, educational, what you would call it. So, with that being said, I got to get to the bank, do a little bit of banking. I come up here on Clark to do banking. It's a little bit easier than up in Angeles now. So with that being said, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of the sick, the elderly, the young. If you have pets, take care of your pets, and we'll talk to you later.